Down here at the Air Museum in Macon, Georgia. Me and Wayne's out loafing on one of our adventures. He said, oh man, he said they got an A10. I got to get a picture of that. I'll get a picture of you upside it too, man. Well, I can get one on this thing. So, yeah, the B1B Lancer. Our adventure for this weekend. Macon Museum of Aviation, Warner Robins, Georgia. All right, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, I forget how many thousands of pounds of titanium encases the cockpit.
Yes. Aviation flying tank.
Yep. Oh my gosh. The rifling inside the barrel.
Oh wow.
You could grade cheese with that stuff.
Yeah. True and straight.
Yeah. Because they've got the wings swept back right now. And the intakes for the go motors.
Hey, can you take one of them and standing underneath it?
Here's a choo-choo train.
Yeah.
52, right? B-52. What was that? One of them they had up here had a machine gun in the tail.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it may be this one.
That's a serious payload, man. Look at me.
Yeah. Look here, they got little kickstand, little wheelie bar tire wheels over here too.
Oh, yeah.
Those wings. Oh, yeah, I'm 141 there too. I never knew this armament on a B-52. Yeah, those 141s, they scream too when they're going through them turbine jets. There's a 130 way over there. It's a shorty though. I think that's one Daddy said he'd never seen anything like it.
Short runways?
No, it's just a short airplane. They have a Jetstar with the Air Force One coloration, and I think it was Nixon's or Johnson's. But Jetstar is what Lockheed built, a little personal.
Oh yeah.
Private jet type thing. That's Air Force. I don't know what that is. But yeah. I think right over here's one of the F-100, 100 or 101. But Dad picked it out when he worked for McDonnell Douglas that time. He worked on them. They called them the Voodoos. It's a 101.
They were big Vietnam.
Yeah. One of those. There's C-130 down there. See how short and stubby it is?
Yeah.
Weird looking. Air Material Command. That thing does look like a guppy.
Yeah, it does. That's weird looking aircraft.
I thought they had, okay, these have signs over here. But I thought they...
747. Yeah, we can just flip that one over upside down.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how they get all the supply at the Buc-ee's with that big old Buc-ee looking thing. Yeah, here it is. The 101. Yeah. Yeah, it's the 101, the Voodoo. Daddy pointed it out last time he was here. He said, I worked on one of those things, or some of those things. So,
real accurate maneuverability.
It was cruising speed 550 miles an hour. Production from 54 to 61. This one don't have a ID, but Wayne's thinking it's a MiG because of the nose section up here. But it don't have a chart telling us what it is. Here's that little stumpy C-130. Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's still the right size. I don't know, it just looks weird. They got a gunship over on the other side.
Oh yeah?
The Rock. They got a weight on it too. Yeah. Cool, cool aircraft. The workhorse right there, buddy.
That's like shorter though.
Well, if I had a clipboard, I could probably just walk in there.
Right.
I found that at Lockheed.
Really?
If you walk around a clipboard, you go anywhere you want to go. They wouldn't question you, nothing. Yeah, that's an aerial refueler right there.
Yeah, we used to do that in the Army. You get a crescent wrench, you can walk around the motor pool all day long. Man. What are you doing? Looking for a bolt?
Looking for a bolt, a loose bolt. And I think that black one there is the weather plane, I think, if I remember correctly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks got a lot of sunfish on it.
Yeah. And then right over from it, that looks like a radar dome or something on top of that one.
First version of the AWACS.
Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Neptune. We took a poll and it's just ugly. Is this a Constellation over here? Maybe. It's Lockheed Constellation was tall, I think.
Got radar?
Yeah, I think it's some type of radar dome up there. Oh, they got a plaque on this one, okay. We will know for sure. There's another C-130. That right there is a C-119, I think. Flying Coffin, I think.
That's a little short stuff thing.
Yeah, and it's got a clamshell door on the back.
Oh, like C5?
Well, it opened up like, yeah. Yep, Constellation by Lockheed. They was making high riders way before it was popular. Isn't that what Amelia Earhart flew, the Constellation? C-54G Skymaster. So it was a cargo. That's what that C stands for, cargo. I don't know. Okay, yeah, the gunship is gone, unless that's it over there.
Do they have one with Puff on it?
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, I see one of the turrets. Yeah, that's the gunship over there. That's Puff. And here's a C-119 flying boxcar. Daddy said he called one of them the Flying Coffin. Maybe this is the one that has the...
It looks like you can land that on water, man. Like a boat.
Oh wow, it's twin tail booms. Yeah, this is the one that's got a clamshell type deal. And see, it's got a regular door there, but then...
Airdrop personnel out. About parachute.
Oh, okay, all right, there you go. I guess you read the description on the book.
Yeah, I guess it's...
Or the plaque.
Airborne and cargo.
Yeah. Okay. I wonder why. I wonder if it's deemed as still a viable aircraft for parts or something. And they're trying to control the, control the environment on the inside. There it is. 2 7.62 millimeter mini guns and 2 20 millimeter and 40 millimeter cannons. This is the side that says, hey, I'm just C-130.
Lean it to the left.
Yeah, lean it to the left. And it says, hey, hold my beer. Hold the joystick while I take a picture of what we're fixing to do. Yeah, I'll get a picture with you in just a minute. Where were the miniguns, I wonder? Oh, they're back here on.
Yeah, there's bucks sticking out right there.
Yeah, it must be on the back. Probably not a good idea to try to shoot in front of you.
Right.
When you got propellers spinning. Well, they must have taken the miniguns off.
That's not buck there, it's just 30 millimeters. Buck with a gap like that.
Yeah. Yeah. So there it is. Puff the Magic Dragon is what they called them. I really wish that right there wasn't here. That way you get a better scope of the 71. Look at the engine. Well, if I had one of those on my lawnmower, I can mow grass fast. And yes, the pollen, my coal, whatever you call it, is still here. Yeah, still having issues with it. And this right here is the auxiliary power unit they use to crank that sucker. And what is it? It's a Buick Wildcat V8, 401 cubic inch. That's what they use to fire these bad boys off. That's our 71 start cart. Get your bod. Yeah, that's a beast. Definitely a beast. Black. The Blackbird. Of course, there's the U-2 over there. Now here's a more up-to-date version of the gunner.
Now this is a classroom.
Oh, really?
It's got all the guns.
Yeah. Yeah, the one out there didn't have that one. That's the minigun we was looking for, Wayne.
Yeah, that's a puff. That.
Puff the Magic Dragon.
They've got a new,
Ooh, check this monster out back here.
so they called us and they said, I thought they got a classroom on the tractor trailer.
A 102 howitzer.
It's like you shoot that or you change your flight pattern.
Well, it does.
It would have to put some major stress on the airframe. I mean, because that's got some recoil.
Of course, all the AC-130s are geared to operate in one attitude like this.
Yeah.
While the gun's
Everything's
on one
fired
side,
down this way, you know. And
You just get higher.
Yeah, it's just kicking it up further in the air. So is this just a mock-up of it, or is this one that they've...
it's a classroom.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, well, it used to be a classroom.
Yeah.
They actually, this is where, out at Herbert,
Okay.
where they had the AC-130.
Yeah.
That's just
teach-
a large
teach-
version of an M2.
Teach the
Yeah.
gunners
Yeah.
to maintain the load and fire and all the guns.
Yeah, just think of all the brass you had falling back in the...
Oh, yeah. And it's all kept in the airplane.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Gotta land clean out the brass. Yeah, that's just
Thing spinning at 1,800 RPM. Good Lord. Excuse me? Yeah, we're just stopping here.
Tools over there and glasses that come in.
Oh, okay.
And them kids, once you give them an inch, they take them out.
Oh, yeah. What's this for?
Yeah, I raised 3 of them. I think I used to be one. I'm not sure.
They take more than give.
Yeah, they do.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, down here's the valve working. Well, I thought they was working.
Oh, that one is.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, I thought I saw it move earlier.
The exhaust valve's not working. That's well.
No, it sure is clean now compared to what it was. Wonder where they found that.
1927. Been around a while.
112 horsepower. I mean, 1,200 horsepower. Built by Studebaker.
Really?
Okay, so I was in such a hurry to get this video out about our trip to the museum that I forgot to film a closing clip. And I didn't realize that till I had posted it on YouTube, and me and my wife was watching it. So I couldn't figure out how to edit that particular video. So I just deleted it, and now here it is, 9 o'clock Friday morning, and I'm making the closing scene. This is a bittersweet trip that we made. I mentioned my dad many times in this video because, y'all pardon me, I still got the pollen thing going on. Me and Dad been there. I think me and Dad went 3 times. And it was a great trip for us to take together. It really was. And I'd encourage anyone that lives in Georgia. It's a day's drive. I mean, a day trip. You can do it in a day. But it was really enjoyable. And that's one reason why I hadn't been back, is because I knew it would churn up memories. And it did. But they were pretty good memories. I didn't lose it at any time. But it was a bittersweet trip. I know Wayne really enjoyed it. But while I was there, Dad wasn't able to come with me, but I got him a coffee cup. The C5 Galaxy. Dad was a supervisor on the cargo floors of the C5A Galaxy project at Lockheed. And so I got this coffee cup for him, which is now mine, because he would have said, son, you keep it. So by all means, if you have a chance, and they had them with the F-35, the F-22, the SR-71, but Dad worked on a C5. So there it is in a nutshell. I appreciate you watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And here it is Friday, and I've got like this many things I got to do here today. Got to check bees, I got a plumbing leak, I need to mow some grass, get some more pollen, but it did rain a little bit last night, so maybe the pollen be knocked down a little bit. So you got Jeff Eubanks, thank you very much. I just dropped my remote control for my TV. Thank you very much for watching my video.